What is going on, everyone? I'm OBS with you here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise while recording in OBS, and let me show you how. When we drop into our OBS, there is you're going to have to select your audio input capture. Mine is going to be the microphone of my laptop. So you're going to have to stop talking and whatever you're doing to let the green light listen to what your background noise is. So the number it's giving me is 55. So you have to note what yours is giving you. Mine is 55. Let me stop talking the second time. Yes, it's playing around 55 and below. So let's take the number 55. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the plus sign and look for you're going to have to go right click onto your audio capture, go to filters, go to the plus sign here and move to noise gate. From noise gate, just press OK. And now we noted that we have 55 as our background noise, so we're going to have to, as the open threshold, I'm going to open it at exactly that at exactly what we got, 55, and reducing 5 digits from that, it will be 60. So that's math. If you add negative 55 plus 5, you're going to be getting a 60. Yeah. So if I put this aside a little bit here and I stop talking, yes, you can see that my background noise has been played with and it's not going through. So yes, you can see that if I come and switch this off, the noise gate, you can see that it's still playing around there. And if we switch it back on, it removes the background voice. So you can go ahead and record and close this and go ahead and record your content. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.